Hey everybody, it's the 31st of July. We're out here with the little birds in the coop. All four of them seem to be getting along. And we got a nest full of eggs over there. I even saw Poppy sitting on it, and the two girls were watching him do it. So, not sure how that's going to work out, if we're going to get anybody out of that or not. But for now, the little birds are doing their thing. Seem to be real happy with their lettuce. Got all kinds of fresh water. Need to refresh the seeds over there. They seem to bury it. They don't seem to like that very much. But anyway, yeah, we got lots of fresh lettuce and some zucchini bits and some cherries over there. Let's see what else we got. What else do we have, May? Would you like some thistle seeds? Oh, that's 7 over there talking. You got something to say to you. There's some thistle seeds. Here's some shell calcium for egg laying. Oh, and I got a few bugs here. Maybe we'll have to make you do a trick. That's what we do, huh? Boy, 7's talking to you. He's actually growing some feathers back on his head, I think. He's gone from skin color to black. So I think he's healing. I think he's doing pretty good. The other boys in the sunroom, they'd do better if they were out here too, but they won't get along with Poppy. More than one male just doesn't cut it. Somebody ends up not feeling too good. So anyway, here we got some bugs. Who wants bugs? May's first. See who else. Ooh, Poppy's checking it out. Here come the girls. That's Missy. Here comes Dottie. Poppy's chicken. Okay. Let's just go ahead and dump them out. I think this is going to be kind of a short one. It's been quite a Monday. Gotta go back to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna head inside and probably get to bed kind of early tonight. Anyway, little birds are all doing good. Got a nest full of eggs, and sometimes they sit and sometimes they don't. Right now everybody's getting along. Just not quite sure what to think about these guys. But we got 4 babies in the brooder. They're doing really well. They're 3 weeks and a day now. Growing like little weeds. And we got, I think 21 eggs in the incubator. And when I looked at them the other day, I looked at about 10 eggs, and all but one looked viable. So could have a fairly decent hatch rate this time. That would be cool. Just got to figure out how to integrate them into the coop so that everybody makes it through the winter. I don't want to have to keep everybody on the sun porch. So be interesting this fall, see how that goes. The seven's got his opinions. He's probably going to end up back on the sun porch because I don't think he'll survive by himself out in this winter with the snow and the cold. What is it out here? It says it's only like 85. It feels more like 90, but we'll take 85. That's a welcome relief from what it has been. Haven't seen any more signs of Timmy Mouse. He must have either moved on or moved on. Sure would like to see May May sitting on the nest more often. Nice if she'd hatch out some chicks. Those chicks should integrate into the coop much easier than incubated birds. Anyway, I hope you all had a nice weekend and had a good Monday. And please remember to like and subscribe and share if you have a mind to. Leave us a comment, a suggestion, or a question. Would love to hear from you. Have a great evening, everybody. I'm going to say bye for now.